Simplifying manufacturing processes might be unnecessary or even impossible for fast-moving multinational companies. But one unit of the L'Oréal Cosmetics Group has learned that the long-term advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. For a closer look at this, we turn to Jean Delomier. He is the plant manager of L'Oréal in Rambouillet, which makes shampoo. Jean, how and why really did you simplify production?
Well, our operation was very complex because we were attached to Garnier brand, and when Garnier brand, by the past, we were producing shampoo, hair colorant, and skincare product, which was a lot of technology for one site. We decided to focus on one technology, which was shampoo, and to produce at the end more with less equipment, with less complexity, with less technology. Which make us more efficient at the end now.
You say that you've increased productivity by 22%. Was this due to the simplification process alone?
Productivity is a combination of a little bit of everything. In fact, people motivation, people engagement, people behavior. But also the link between people and our targets, which is defined with our vision, in fact. So when you combine everything at the end, you are able to deliver. But for sure, you need to set some strong process in order to measure, to follow your progress, and to continuing to go ahead, in fact.
Your communication strategy to the workforce is done in a very humorous way, a fun way at Rambouillet. Please explain how you do this.
Well, the idea of sharing vision and strategy on a funny way was more to avoid a top-down approach and to make vision and strategy fun for the shop floor people and for all employees of the factory. So we built a specific process to make them part of the discussion, and it was funny at the end. So, and for us, it was the best way to make the vision understandable, and not as a top-down approach, in fact.
Does this really work?
It works that we've stopped the factory for a day, and we've done some presentation, like go for gold. This is a really funny TV set. We did a funny orientation of go for gold. We've done go for shampoo because we are producing shampoo, and we were asking some people some different questions. With the answer was a part of our strategy and vision. So playing that was making vision fun, in fact.
And how much do the workers really remember?
I can tell you, and they are still talking about that event, which was new for them because it was the first time we stopped the factory to talk about strategy, in fact.
You have a very ambitious sustainability plan. Are you on target with those goals?
So as explained, we have 3 targets, in fact, regarding what we call green goals, which is CO2 emission, waste reduction, and water consumption reduction as well. We are at, as you mentioned, at minus 81% on CO2. On waste, it's tricky because the size of the factory is continuing to increase. So we are at minus 31% compared to the target, and but we are still on tracks. And on water, we're at minus 38%, and we will fit the target by reusing water, which is treated, on the cleaning processes of our equipment, in fact.
How are you working with big data and social networking?
Well, we have implemented a tool which is called Yammer, which is a kind of an internal Facebook process. It's very open process. At the beginning, it was a test, and I can tell you that today there's more than 10,000 people connected to Yammer, and we are sharing some best practice. We are mainly use it as a sharing platform for best practices and communication regarding innovation, communication regarding mobility, on people, tools, and so on. But it's very adapt to young generation, and it's a kind of funny tool as well. Huh?
The jury of the Industrial Excellence Awards, the Best Factory Awards, was pretty impressed by your ability to integrate the suppliers into the production chain. How close is this partnership with them?
Well, if you want to succeed working well with your on-site supplier or whatever your suppliers, you need to build some strong partnership, and we were able to succeed in working with our suppliers by create a partnership with a daily meeting, with a monthly review, with also some processes in order to understand their problem. We did some the V-MAV processes. It's that some people from our operation went to our supplier operation in order to understand the way they were working, and vice versa. They came to our operation as well. In order to have a better understanding and to create at the end a better partnership, in fact.
Jean Delomier of L'Oréal, we thank you very much for joining INSEAD Knowledge.
Thank you so much.